Hey, I'm Rebecca Plant.
Hi, I'm Edward Plant.
Really excited to see you online for the virtual networking event with the Business League coming up real soon.
We've got you registered for it, and we just wanted to reach out and say hi before the event so you knew what we look like and we could set you up for an amazing morning.
Now, I know that since probably March or April that you have been to a gazillion Zoom events and you're wondering, what have I done? Am I sure I want to get up and go to another Zoom event?
You're thinking, not another Zoom meeting, but no. We're not another Zoom meeting.
The answer is yes, you do want to get up and come along to this Zoom meeting because things are different. We've been doing this since April, running our networking events that we had been doing previously in live, in the flesh for 8 years. Now, and we've taken it online. So I reckon we're pretty good at this stuff now.
We're not a normal, come and get talked at and feel pretty bummed at the end of it.
Yeah, we're going to provide lots of opportunities for you to, one, learn, and two, actually connect, have actual conversations with other human beings. And
engagement is really key for what we do, and you will get to talk to other people and listen to some really cool business owners.
This will be interactive, so make sure that your video is on, make sure that you have water, all those things that you need. Now, pants are absolutely optional. It's not your thing in the Zoom meeting, don't worry about it, but absolutely no pajamas. You need to rock up to this thing with your hair done, your teeth brushed, and ready to roll, as you would as in the flesh event.
So we're not able to deliver you a tea or a coffee or breakfast, so have that prepared. Make sure you're ready. Our members get it sent to them and sorted out for them. However, we won't be able to do that for you this time, so make sure you're prepared before the event for all your dietary requirements.
So just a hello, really looking forward to seeing you, and if there are any questions, reach out, concierge@thebusinessleague.com.au, and if there's someone specifically that you want to be connected up with, make sure you use that email address and let us know, and we will do our best if we can. If there's someone we think that will help you with what you want to achieve, we will be happy to connect you. That's it for me for now.
My name's Edward Plant.
I'm Rebecca Plant, and I look forward to seeing you really soon.
See you then.